Good morning, Wednesday, April 29. Haven't done a video in a couple of days. Um, Realize this isn't a video either, but good morning. So today is important because I want you to make sure that you come to the Google Classroom Meet today. Check to make sure you have an invite. According to my records, everybody should have had one. They're mandatory. I'm really going to be teaching you a lesson today, and I will be doing that every Monday, every Wednesday. And then there's going to be a homework assignment on what we talk about this afternoon. So really saying you decline is not an option. All right, so come prepared to class to discuss using violence. We talked last Monday about civil disobedience. I have included our notes from the civil disobedience, and I want you to also think about bringing a case to court. We're going to talk about that this afternoon too. All right, let's see what our next slide is. Oh, the assignment that I'm going to give you, I'm going to go out of this real quick a sec, and then I'm going to show you that civil disobedience, this is what we talked about. Yeah, so I need to exit out of this a minute, and I want to show you the worksheet that you're going to get. Okay, this is what it looks like. Civil disobedience, and I gave you the notes. Advantage, nonviolent approach, raises awareness, lots of people can get involved. A disadvantage, you could be arrested, potential for police brutality. Authorities don't really have to help you because you're breaking the law. So we talked about all of those. That's civil disobedience, when you break the law without being violent. What I want you to do is complete some notes today, tomorrow morning, anytime. Well, actually, you got the assignment on Monday. So this morning, complete these notes so that we can discuss using violence, like Malcolm X. What were some of the advantages? What were some of the disadvantages? Bringing cases to court. That's like a Rosa Parks, a Brown versus the Board of Education. You might even want to throw in Plessy versus Ferguson, like what was the disadvantage of that? So we're going to talk about that today as well. We're also going to talk today, but you don't need to write notes for this. Yeah, we'll talk about it. Voluntary separation of African Americans from white society. There was a whole group of people that just wanted the African Americans to leave, have their own towns. So, for example, Chicago would be all black. The businesses would be only employ black. And then you would have, say, Wheaton, Elmhurst, Oak Brook, whatever, that could only be white. We're going to voluntarily separate from each other. Or you could take the state of Indiana and make that all black. And then the state of Illinois would be all white. What might be some advantages to just separating? What would be the disadvantages to that? So be thinking about that, okay? Then here's your assignment. Make sure your notes are completed. I would just fill them in on this document that I gave you. And then the NAACP brought discrimination cases before the courts. The followers of Martin Luther King Jr. used tactics of civil disobedience. Black Muslims advocated the voluntary separation of African Americans from white society. Radical groups supported the use of violence in their struggle for equal rights. Imagine that you were a civil rights activist in the 1960s, 1970s. Which approach to civil rights do you think you would have supported? Answer that question. Choose from the four. That's civil disobedience, violence, court cases, and separation. Write down at least 5 sentences explaining why you support one approach, and be sure to give clear reasons that make sense. You cannot just give me something like, violence because I like to hit people. Make sure it makes sense. All right? Which approach would have been least acceptable to you and why? All right, so you're going to want to be at our Google Meet today because we're going to cover all of this, and then this is going to be something you'll turn back into me by Friday. All right, see you guys there. Bye.